Want a sleek and searchable store locator on your website in the next 5 minutes? Without writing a single line of code or needing a Google Maps API key? Stick around and I'll show you how. In this quick tutorial, we'll build and embed a store locator using Maply. The link to Maply is in the description. Let's dive in. Inside Maply, click the red plus button to add a map. Name it Michelin and NYC. Next, add a new layer called Restaurants. Then upload the spreadsheet of Michelin-starred spots. You don't need to follow any template or format. Just make sure there is a country column. Maply geocodes every address instantly. No manual work, no hassles. Voila, the map is created. Time to give the map some personality. Choose a custom base map that fits your preference. Give it a classy gold color. Swap the default dots for a knife and fork icon. Adjust the size a bit. In seconds, your locator already looks premium. Ready to publish? Click Publish from the Map menu. Select Embed from the Map menu. Untick everything except the search box for a clean look. Click the HTML snippet to copy it. Over in WIX, choose Add Elements. Then Embed Code and select Embed HTML. Paste the snippet and hit Update. Stretch the element to full width. Position it properly. Then save and publish. Your store locator is now live. Let's test it. Type sushi in the search box. Click Sushi Ichimura. You can see the details of price range, cuisine, and opening hours. Now search World Trade Center. Select the first suggestion. The map locates the landmark and lists nearby Michelin picks. Prefer WordPress? Open your page. Add a custom HTML block. Paste the same embed code and save. Done! Same great locator, no extra setup. And that's it. You just built a stylish, fully searchable store locator without touching code or needing a Google Map API key. If this helped, hit like, subscribe for more Maply tips. Drop your questions below in the comments. See you in the next video.